Our kitchen sink wasn't draining, and we had a smelly puddle in the yard. So I went to work on figuring out the problem, and through that process, I learned how to repair a drain field. As part of my videos, I plan to include a Bible message, so stick around to the end. For this one, I'm going to talk about God's will for man regarding stewardship, and how good stewardship is pleasing to God, and how He rewards us for it. We got to get it out, and then we got to dig the whole thing down, probably about this much more below the bottom of that. And then I'm going to put some sand in the bottom, and I'm going to put some gravel in the bottom of that. We're going to see if we can clean this off and reuse it. If not, go buy another one, reinstall it, bury it. Yeah, the whole idea is that the water goes underneath it and then drains, seeps down into the ground below it. It just keeps the dirt off of it. So like over here where I cut that hole in it to see what we had going on at the very beginning, I'll cover that when we put it all back together. Hey look, it's starting to flex a little. We're getting there. So I've removed that piece first from this end of the drain field. There's one more longer piece in there, and then that end piece, and then the white pipe at the end there comes in from the kitchen and down into it. The Bible says in Genesis chapter 2, verse 15, "The Lord God took the man and put him in the Garden of Eden to work and keep it." This verse reveals God's will for man, that we tend to and take care of our own gardens. And it is for our ultimate good that we are good stewards of the life given to us by God. That locks those two together. We'll put some more rock around this stuff in. The second verse that I would like to share is from Matthew chapter 25, verse 23, where Jesus tells a parable about a servant and his master. His master said to him, "Well done, good and faithful servant. You have been faithful over a little. I will set you over much. Enter into the joy of your master." I think what Jesus is saying here is that when we are good stewards of what we have, He rewards us for it, and He rewards us with His joy. There are over a dozen words for joy in Hebrew, including words that mean gladness and purpose, and a joy that strengthens. Markers. Top and bottom. And the last verse I have for you comes from Apostle Paul in Colossians chapter 3, verse 23. "Whatever you do, work heartily as for the Lord, and not for men." The meaning of the Greek word heartily is to work from the soul, giving the task in front of you your full attention, rather than just going through the motions. Paul goes on to say in verse 24, "Knowing that from the Lord you will receive the inheritance as your reward." You are serving the Lord Christ. The inheritance he speaks of includes all of God's blessings and promises, both on earth and in heaven. These verses show us it is pleasing to God when we are good stewards of what we've been given, and He rewards us for the work we do for Him. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.